My dear brothers and sisters, we continue to listen to the encounter between Jesus and Nicodemus. And towards the end of the story, Jesus confronted Nicodemus with these words. If I tell you about earthly things and you do not believe, how will you believe if I tell you about heavenly things? Ito na ngang bagay sa mundo ang aking ipinakikita, paano pa kaya ang mga bagay na makalangit o mga diwa na makalangit? The Lord, as if was telling Nicodemus, do not settle with earthly thinking, but think heavenly. And this is a good way for us to live our days, to see if what form or what kind of thinking are we going to bring about when we face people and when we continue our journey. Are we going to think earthly or are we going to think heavenly? And one fruit of thinking heavenly was the experience of the first Christian community in our first reading today. They were one heart and one mind. No one claimed that any of his possessions were their own. They had everything in common. There were no needy person among them. Dahil ganyan ang mga asal at diwa na makalangit. May pagkakapantay-pantay, hindi nagpapabaya at patuloy na nagiging mabuti sa bawat isa. And Jesus was once more in front of Nicodemus, bearing that heavenly thought, that he was honest enough that someday this Son of Man will be raised up. He will be glorified by people. Katapatan din pala ang isang bunga ng isang diwa at puso na makalangit. At sana po, hindi lang ito isang palagay o isang pangalan sa atin na tayo ay may diwang Pilipino. Pero tayo ay mga Katoliko, kaya sana ang ating pag-iisip, ang ating asal ay diwang makalangit. We are Catholics. We follow Jesus. And hopefully, what resounds, what's the number one thought inside of us is to think heavenly. And not to think otherwise is to oppose people in higher authority, even the Pope. When we think earthly, then we begin to induce war rather than talk about peace. When we are thinking earthly, then we prioritize name consuming or raising up our names rather than thinking of the goodwill of every people. Let this be a beautiful Easter grace, my dear brothers and sisters, to think heavenly, where there is fairness and where there is honesty. And to bring that kind of thinking, we know that the next days will be days of generosity. The next days will be days of clarity. Because thinking heavenly is but goodness and grace to all of us, to whomever we meet. And so for us to continue our Easter pilgrimage with the heavenly thinking and with generosity in our hearts.